Yeah, good morning, Kelly. Well, who better to talk about it than the CEO, Keisha Lee herself? You have been a busy woman, so I'm happy to have you here for just a minute. Talk to me a little bit about the decision to pivot. Why do this for the community?
Because the community needs us right now. We're a children's agency. We are basis community, and the community is in crisis right now, and we at our crisis center. So everything that we were going to do downtown for the parade, we pivoted and brought it here. But I wouldn't be able to do it without the help of my sponsors. We have P&G here. Walmart pulled up with two 18-wheeler trucks. We have White Castles here. And then also my community partners said, what you need. I had called the Y. Also Better Family Life, Little Bit Foundation. I mean, everybody just come together. We are the basis of the community. This is what we do. So we all wanted the parade. I mean, I felt so bad, like I want this parade so bad, but when God has a plan, can't nothing stop God's plan. And this is where we need it right now in the community with our people to give them these resources. And we're gonna be here starting at 10:30. We're gonna open the doors and we're gonna let people come in. We're gonna give them food and feed them. We're gonna give products away. And then we got games for rides for the kids, because kids don't need to worry about adult problems. You know I love my babies. We'll give them a little piece of just kid playtime before they get back out into the world, and we're going to do this until we run out and re-up. We're going to run out for today, and then we're going to go back and re-up. That's what we're going to do, and that's how long we're going to be here.
Awesome. Yeah, I was going to ask you that. So I'll also ask you, seeing the community turn out, we have a bunch of people that have come out here.
Yes.
What is the emotion you're feeling seeing this firsthand?
Yeah, I've cried like 4 times this morning already, but it just shows love, it shows community and everything else. And I think that one thing you rarely see these days is people helping each other. When that storm hit and tore up and you ride through this city, you're gonna be overwhelmed with emotion, but one thing you're gonna see is neighbors helping neighbors, help get stuff together. And when I tell you, when God tell you to pause and he got a plan, it's the plan, but you gotta sit back and see it all come together. And you ain't gonna see community like you're seeing it right now during this devastation.
Absolutely. And you said you guys will be here till you run out today.
That's right.
Will you be back tomorrow? What's the plan look like for you guys?
Listen, we're going to go re-up. I can't say it's going to be specific tomorrow, but we'll be back in the streets at different places doing what we do. And we have so many organizations that are community partners, like Better Family Life, the Y, Little Bit Foundation. You still have our sponsors, P&G, Walmart, White Castles, and all that. They're going to be helping do what they can and to do their part. I don't have the full list, but when I tell you, when I got the list of where we're going to be and what we're doing, we're going to share it with everybody.
Awesome. Well, you heard it here, 10:30 at 5355 Page Street. Again, thank you so much.
And make sure they know this is not just the Keisha Lee thing. I just had the Mayday stuff. Without them, I wouldn't be able to do all this. And without you in the community, we wouldn't be able to do this.
We thank you so much for
you.
doing this and helping the community out.
All
Send
right.
things back to you guys in studio.